Hi, this is a great beginning to the new year. I will be traveling to New Zealand and I will deliver a full day class on SQL Server performance tuning for DBAs as part of SQL Server Saturday Wellington. SQL Saturday is a free full day event for Microsoft Data Platform professionals, and it is organized under PAS community and it happens worldwide. The Wellington SQL Saturday is happening on Feb 23rd, which is of course a Saturday, and my class full day training on performance tuning is happening on Feb 22nd. A quick note, I will be traveling to New Zealand also for the Definity conference, which is happening prior to SQL Saturday. So I will deliver my full day class in Auckland on Feb 18th and then this full day class on Friday in Wellington. My name is Amit Bansal and I have been working with SQL Server since 1997. I started my career as a developer and then moved on to database administration. Since 2005, I have been heavily focusing on consulting and performance tuning. So my core area of specialization has been diving deep inside SQL Server internals, troubleshooting, and performance optimization. I have worked with more than 200 customers worldwide and have delivered more than 600 assignments. From late 2000s, I have been focusing heavily on delivering training and consulting for worldwide customers. I'm also a Microsoft Certified Master of SQL Server and have been an MVP awardee since 2007. Whenever I get an opportunity, I speak at global conferences worldwide. I've spoken at MS Ignite, PAS Summit, SQL Bits, Data Platform Summit, and a couple of SQL Server Saturday events. I am also the chairperson for Data Platform Summit, and I founded communities like dataplatformgeeks.com, SQLServerGeeks.com. So the URL there, sqlmaestros.com/amit.bansal, will tell you more about me. Now let's talk about the course. SQL Server Internals, Troubleshooting and Performance Tuning is a course that I have been developing since 2005. It is a signature course with 40 hours of content. In fact, more than that. There are decks, presentations, theory, and most importantly, real-world examples in form of labs and demos. Most particularly, this course is popular for the advanced content, which is highly demo-packed, and I have been delivering it worldwide. Depending on the customer demands and the community, I have been creating various versions of this course. For example, a single full day 8-hour content called Practical SQL Server Performance Tuning, Speeding Up SQL Server Queries, which I'm delivering in Definity. And the one that I'm doing in Wellington is SQL Server Performance Tuning for DBAs. So the content is carved out and niched, designed for DBAs, but of course, developers, database administrators, architects, they all can attend this course. You will be happy to know that the various versions of this course I have delivered last year across the globe. So I, of course, started off with New Zealand, and I'm so happy to come back to New Zealand again. And last year it was delivered in Christchurch and Auckland, and I got tremendous feedback in this part of the world. I followed this up and delivered it in Australia and then Singapore. And then, of course, I ended the year by delivering this in Denmark, in Copenhagen, and it was a big class. And the best part of all the feedback and testimonials from my attendees from these classes have been put online. So this URL that you see on the screen, bit.ly MC Testimonials, is where you can go and read all the feedback from all the delegates of my classes. Not only international deliveries, but all the master classes that I have delivered over a period of time, they're all put up there. So let's talk about this course, Wellington, Feb 22, which is a Friday, SQL Server Performance Tuning for DBAs. I have blogged about this. The bit.ly link out there, Wellington, Feb 2019, has more details. Now let's dive deep inside the content of this class. What are you really going to get in this 8 hours of training? Module 1 is about CPU troubleshooting. I'm going to talk about query lifecycle, connections, sessions, requests, tasks, workers, threads, how the entire query is executed from its birth to death. Common scheduler wait types in SQL Server. I'm going to talk about all the different wait types that are related to CPU, how to troubleshoot CPU performance, how to identify workloads and queries that cause excessive CPU cycles, and then I'm going to focus on key performance counters and DMVs that can help you to troubleshoot CPU performance. Module 2 is going to talk about I/O troubleshooting. Remember, I/O is very critical for any database system, and again, I'm going to use a lot of DMVs and performance counters to identify queries that are causing high I/O usage. But before that, I will talk about SQL Server I/O patterns, and I will also get into understanding what really I/O is and I/O ports are inside SQL Server. Module 3 is going to focus on troubleshooting memory. And of course, memory is really like a black box and it's very convoluted. So I'm going to talk about the architecture first and then understand the difference between internal and external memory pressure. What are the different types of memory errors that you can get, and then how to troubleshoot them. And then again, we will use a bunch of DMVs, memory clerks, memory objects to understand workloads and queries that are causing excessive memory usage and why exactly. And then we will understand how to fix them. Module 4 is going to talk about Tempdb. Everything and anything goes into Tempdb. I will talk about what are the common issues with Tempdb and then how can we identify workloads that are causing excessive Tempdb usage. I will also talk about a few tips and tricks that can help you to tune Tempdb performance. Module 5 will be dealing with deadlocks, and I am not going to cover the entire concurrency module but just focus on deadlocks. What are the different types of deadlocks, how to fix them, and some best practices around deadlocks. The day will end with module 6, which is one of my favorites. This will be on indexes. I will begin by demystifying some common myths around indexes. We'll talk about indexing strategies, and then I'm going to show you a lot of real world index tuning examples. So all in all, you will see that there is a lot of content. It's going to be a fast-paced workshop, and there will be loads of practical and real world examples. You will get all the demo scripts and the demo databases that I'm going to use in the training. So when you come to this class, you need not bring your laptop. Just come, be fresh, watch me and the demos, pay attention, take a lot of notes, and you're going to have a great day of training. So here are the dates again for you. This is Feb 22 in Wellington, SQL Server Performance Tuning for DBAs. The first URL is Wellington Feb 2019 and MC Testimonials. And if you want to watch a few videos from me, you can subscribe to the SQL Maestros YouTube channel. So youtube.com/SQL Maestros. And if you want to talk to me directly, just drop an email to amit.bansal@sqlmaestros.com and I will reply back. Well, thank you very much for your time. It was good talking to you. Even if you're not attending my class at SQL Saturday, do join us in Wellington on Feb 23rd. Attend the free full day event. And once again, the URL is there on the screen for you.